Good morning, friends. Today we are going to see the topic about IP address and the subnetting mask. IP address cannot be assigned as a randomly like 192.168.0.1. This type can be assigned as the donut discriminational notations. There are two type of IP address: IPv4, which contains 32-bit, and IPv6, which contains 128 bits. The two portions network on the host is above 192.168.10 belong the network portions, and one being to the host portions. The IP address can be the IP address and the subnetting mask and the network prefix are determined by some of the small set of rules. It's shown behind the table column. For the class A, the range will be 0 to 127, and the subnetting mask will be 255.0.0.0, and the networking prefix is 8, and the number of networks 2 power 8, and the number of hosts assigned is 2 power 24. In the B, 128 to 191. Its subnetting mask is 255 plus 0.255.0.0, and the network prefix is 16, and the total number of network can be connected is 2 power 16, and the host address is 2 power 16, right? Yeah. Now class C, which can be mentioned 223. Sorry. The subnetting mask is 255.255.255.0. The network prefix is 24, and the total network can be connected is 2 power 24, and the total number of hosts is 2 power 8. The class D and class E, the more it's contain the heavier servers, so that cannot be addressed. There are three type of address: network address, when all the host bits are 0, it's called as network address. Broadcast address, when the all host bits is called when all the host bit is 1 and is called broadcast address. Usable address, when the host bits have 0 to 1 and is known as usable address. And there are some examples behind the next 3 slides. You can find there are IP addresses given, subnet mask, and the network usable address and broadcast address, everything is given. The question is to find the network address, broadcast address, and the usable range for given IP address 210.3.2.0. For this, we should find the network address and broadcast address and usable range. For that, we should divide the IP address by it's not like direct dividing, it's the symbol. To find, we should do the slash by 27. For broadcast address is 3163.95.127. 3163.95.127. But for the network address, 3264.96.128. 3264.96.128. Well, yes, that's it. Thank you for watching the video.